students, welcome back to the series. And in this series, we were discussing about the NEET 2022 question paper. And this is the question paper R1 code. Those who haven't watched the earlier series, we have discussed few of the questions from the R1 code paper. That is still question number 78 for the chemistry portion, which started from the question number 51. And in this case, today what we are going to do, today we are going to learn about the question number 79. And in this, we are not just going to learn about the how to solve a question. We are also learning about the concepts also. So the how it can help us to understand the different varieties of questions which is asked in the paper, as well as it will make you understand about the how to attempt those question paper. Now let's see the question. So the question is on my screen. As you can see, the question says that, oh, okay, it's a match the following question. So in the match the following question, what happens that we have to see the options. And this is, I told you in the earlier videos also. And in this part, you should understand that you can check with anyone and then you will know the product. So it will save your time. So let's see what it says. On the first side, they have given the product form. On the second side, they have given reaction of carbonyl compound. Okay, so I can take any carbonyl compound. Normally, a carbonyl means that we are taking an aldehyde here. So let's say how I can prepare a cyanohydrin. So if you don't know what is cyanohydrin, then in that case, it will be a very long process for you. So let's see what is a cyanohydrin. So cyanohydrin is basically when we have cyanide group along with the presence of CN group on the same carbon. So that is called your cyanohydrin. Second we have is acetal. There are two type of al we have. One is ketal and second is acetal. Acetal for aldehyde and ketal for ketones. So acetal is basically like this. When we have R, C, O R dash hydrogen and O R dash here. So technically, it's basically when the two ether groups are present on the same carbon. That is called your acetal. Now, next what we have here is, next is your Schiff base. So what is your Schiff base? Schiff base is when we have the double bonded nitrogen, especially the 1 degree actually, along with the formation of hydrogen. And what is oxime? So oxime is basically your, so oxime is we have R C double bond NOH and hydrogen when we have the double bonded nitrogen which is attached with the OH group. So that is basically your oxime. Now how we can prepare that? So let's see the cyanohydrin first. So cyanohydrin, now how I can prepare cyanohydrin? So I have to take aldehyde here. And with whom it will react to, so that it can produce RCOH along with the formation of H along with the CN here. So in this case, in the options, if you'll see, we can only add, there is a one thing, that is HCN. HCN. So in this case, it will be on the minus charge and this will be with the plus charge. The negative charge, what we're going to do, it will going to attack here and moves up, giving you the product that is cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin. Now in this case, if I'll see the option here, so the first A option is connected with the fourth one. A is connected with the fourth one. So here I can see that A is connected with the fourth one is the only option in the case of first. So first is our correct answer. Now I can see the other parts also to understand whether others are matching or not. So let's go with the second part, how we can form the acetal. Second is how we form the acetal. So in the formation of acetal, you are starting with an aldehyde and you require to form OR dash along with the formation of this. So this can only be prepared when you have an alcoholic group. R dash OH. So when this group going to attack here, then only there will be movement and hence you will get the acetal as the one of the product. Now third is Schiff base. So in the case of the third one, when we have the Schiff base, we have to take RC double bond OH here, and we have to form R C double bond N R dash with the formation of hydrogen. Now in this case, we can only have, there are two things here. First, I can take the NH2OH group, and second, we can take the RNH2 group. Now see here, in the case of your Schiff base, what do we have here? We have R group attached here. So in this case, we require the 1 degree amine to produce the Schiff base. So here, we'll react with 1 degree amine here. Okay, I'm writing in the opposite direction so you can understand it in a better way. It's basically the water removal is occurring. Whenever we have base, in this case, there will be a water removal occurring, and minus along with the formation of water, you'll get the Schiff base as one of the product. Schiff's base. And the fourth one. So fourth one is the formation of oxime from same aldehyde, and we are only left with NH2OH. So I can write hydrogen before. And again, there will be a water removal. And what do we get here? We get oxime as one of the major products. NOH. That is your oxime. So in this case, we can see that the cyanohydrin can be produced by the HCN. The acetal can be produced by the, it is produced by the alcohol. Then Schiff base is produced by the 1 degree primary amine. And then we have oxime, which is prepared by NH2OH. Let's see here. I hope you understand this concept clearly. And thank you for watching till the end. And stay tuned for coming more solutions.